Well, hello everybody. Trying something a little different. I'm in my bedroom, trying to get the natural light from the window in here. My two daughters are downstairs. One's doing homework and the 4-year-old is torturing her. But yeah, that's my vacuum. That's the best vacuum you're gonna find on earth. Let me stop. The Shark Duo Clean. I actually really like it because I have a lot of wood floors compared to carpets, and certain rooms have area rugs in them. But alright, enough promoting that. I don't want to make this video 20 minutes long like the previous one. I am so sorry. But this one's from Aliexpress, the Kamy Yi Good Store. The pair of owls is $11.44, so 40 by 50, full round. The lovable owl, that's what they called it. It's a 20 by 25 round full, $4.89. I'm sorry if I get my pricing confused because everything is backwards in the camera for me. Order on the 14th, they shipped out on the 15th, and I got it on the 26th. I think that's what it says. So believe the writing, that was coming out of my mouth, just in case I get something backwards. Okay. I just cut the flap. This bag is extremely gritty feeling, like it does have dirt on it. Oops. This is what we are unboxing. I can't wait. I can't wait. Alright, let's get it over. So, this contraption. And I don't know if I said in my previous video, because we were having plumbing issues and that got fixed. So, that made me happy too. I think that's another reason why I was down. I was stressed out about things. You know how it is, being a mom and things go wrong. So, they came wrapped up with everything in the middle. Standard toolkits. I'm hoping the natural light is so much better compared to the light in my kitchen. No baggies or anything. Alright. Aren't they so cute? Oh, they're so pretty. These are rounds. I was hoping a natural light too, you could see the colors better. Might be, of course, some glare, but you definitely can see the color better. That's what I'm looking forward to. And this is the other cutie. Probably you could put in my youngest one's room. I gotta get frames though. I did the other one for her, but I haven't framed it yet. But I want to be in a frame that I can stick on the desk. I don't want to nail it to the wall. I don't want to do that. So, let's start with the small one. Like I said, these are kind of folded around the diamonds and stuff. Now, this is a 25 by 25, like I said, round. Oh, this doesn't have a lot of colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 10 colors. And they're not even in order. You know how they usually have the DMC on the chart in order? Not on this one. Not at all. I wonder if they did like quantity. Most to least. Because number 9 is 5200. And that's going to be the background of this little cutie girl. So, as you can see. It's clear. That's all going to be 5200. I just don't want to get this stuck on the carpet. She is pretty. She's such a cutie bird, like my daughter. Alright, let me see if I can get this back down, because there is a couple creases, not creases, but from it being rolled up. There's a couple of dips in the canvas. Nothing bad though. But look at the branch. She's sitting on a branch with some heart-shaped leaves. I think that is so cute. Let me show you guys the key so you see what I'm talking about. Hold on. This is not going down flat because of the... There's a dip. See? The dip right there, so it's not going down flat. But that's the key. I'll probably show it better when I do the diamonds and put it in the other view. It's always blurry in this view and I don't know why. But see, they're not in numeric order. So that was strange. Okay. The inventory sheet, I'll do inventory off camera and I'll show you the diamonds. Let me just show you the other canvas. A 50 by 40. I didn't think I got it that big. But yeah, 50 by 40, so it's bigger. Like I'm trying to get this to lay flat without having any more issues that it already has from being folded the way it was. Let me get this up. Now this chart is in numeric order. Sorry, you guys gotta see me struggle for a minute. There it goes. I ripped the canvas paper a little bit. I don't want to keep ripping it. I wish you guys could see what I'm doing. Oh, there it goes. That's better. Woo. This one has light rivers, and that's from the fold. What? That's half of the owls. That's the blue mate there. I call them owl friends because just because it's blue doesn't mean that it's not a female. So. And in my previous video, if you noticed when I did the hurricane one, the symbols didn't have any colors in it. In the grid for the in the middle of the grid where the symbols were, there was no color. It was just white like the canvas on the outside. So I thought that was pretty different. But these have colors in the middle of the rounds. So that's what I was asking if anybody else. Is just hurricane that does that? Is that something new? And these are all older canvases and they don't do that? I'm not sure. That's better. So that's the other half. But you see the symbols have colors in them. But the hurricane one did not. There we go, I'm sticking the stuff again. So let me see if I can get this closed out. I wish it would focus. But you know what? I'm going to go change the view on this camera, which means I have to stop recording altogether. So that's what I'm going to do real quick. Alright, I'm back. So this is what I was talking about. There's color inside the circles. All the other ones look like symbol Y, question mark, K, and L in the other one that I did in my previous video. They had no color in them. But around the circles grid, there was color. So I wanted to show that real quick. This is the grid, very small grid. on the side. Sorry if my camera is shaky. See how small it is compared to the size of the canvas? It reminds me of my 80 by 60, which was so tiny. See how this one's in numeric order? This one, the 25 by 25, is not. The 5200 is first. And then it goes in numeric order. So I guess they made that one first because it's the most you're going to have. Let me do inventory real quick and I'll show you guys the inventory sheets and what the drills look like. Okay, and the 25 by 25 called Lovable Owl. This little guy, there was 10 DMC separate numbers, sorry. And everything is here. My little one came upstairs and interrupted me for a minute. She was like, come back downstairs. I told her in a minute. This is a dark purple. That's 550. Can't see that number too well as well as with this one, 3371. But everything is here. Everything's accountable. And they also gave me some little baggies over there. They're the little cheap baggies. Sorry, I'm not even in camera. I did have some rolling around in there. They look like 5200s. But yep. So I'll do the other inventory for the big 50 by 40 and I'll be right back. Alright, I am finished with the second inventory. As you can see, I have a lot of diamonds, a lot of pretty greens, a lot of pretty blues. I am short on one color. And I'll be sharing that color with you. But I would like to show the pretty colors. And this is the one I'm short on. You guys can see, I'm not sure in the light, 898. There you go, you can see it right where my fingers are. 898. I have 34 colors. It says I should have 9 bags, and I only have 6. And that is the one I have the most of on top of that, but it's okay because I'm not going to start this one anytime soon. But you guys are my witness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags. And I double checked my browns too, just in case, because one color I was doing was separated. I forgot what color it was. But there was one that I was doing and I'm like, I'm missing a bag. But the bag was in the little separate area mixed in with the diamonds. But these were all in numeric order on top of that put in the bag. I don't have any extra bags of any. I'm not sure anything else. So that is an error. So I have to let the store know that I only have 6 bags. Take pictures of that, the inventory sheet. So, but that's it. Thank you for watching. I do have a light pad coming in today. I will, if you want, do a unboxing of that and a review. But that's about it. So I hear the mailman. I think he's dropping off my light pad right now. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Stay warm. It is snowing outside. But let me know if this natural light is a lot better than the kitchen. Because if it is, then I'll just start doing all of my unboxing in near my windows. Other than that, have a good day. Bye.